Your first video doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be done. But that blank page, it's terrifying. It stops 99% of people from ever hitting upload. So today, I'm using NotebookLM as my creative crutch. I'm not writing a script from scratch. I'm simply feeding in notes, links, and half-baked thoughts, and letting the AI organize them into a brilliant, ready-to-use video structure. We're killing perfectionism and building a framework that makes starting easy. So let's build it together. Open NotebookLM and start a new notebook. Right away, you'll notice how clean and minimal the interface is. And that's by design. No clutter, no distractions, just you and your sources. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Add Sources button. Click that. Now, head over to YouTube in another tab. Search for a keyword in your niche. For this demonstration, I'll go with digestive health. But you can apply this to absolutely any topic, whether it's personal finance, fitness, tech reviews, or even cooking. The process is universal. Once you've typed in your keyword, use the filter option, sort by popularity, and then narrow it down to this month. Why this month? Because you want fresh, trending content that's currently resonating with audiences, not outdated videos from years ago. From those results, copy the links of at least 5 well-performing videos. These will serve as your source material. Paste those links into NotebookLM and hit enter. Now here's where it gets clever. For even more refined results, type your keyword again into the left side search bar within NotebookLM and hit enter again. You'll now see multiple sources pop up. Articles, transcripts, and data points, all related to your topic. NotebookLM will read through all of that material to generate outputs that are richly informed and contextually accurate. Once you've confirmed that all your sources are loaded, import them into the notebook. Then click on the Settings button, select Custom, and open the prompt document I've prepared for you. You can find that document by joining my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. From that document, copy the topic generator and script writer prompt, paste it into NotebookLM, and save it as your custom instruction. Now comes the fun part. In the search bar, type, "Give me 10 video ideas for my next digestive health video," and hit generate. NotebookLM will read every source you provided, the YouTube transcripts, the metadata, the comments, everything, and synthesize it into a list of highly relevant, potentially viral ideas. And here we go. It's delivered 10 unique audience-tested concepts. Pick the one that excites you most. I'm choosing the 5th option. What literally happens inside your stomach when you drink warm water? That topic is specific, curiosity-driven, and has massive shareability. Topic selected, and now it's time to generate the script. Go back to NotebookLM and type, write a 1,500-word script on the topic, followed by the topic number you chose. I'm using 1,500 words just to illustrate the process. You can adjust that number based on your target video length. For instance, if you want a 10-minute video, aim for around 2,000 words. For 8 minutes, roughly 1,600. The beauty here is that you're in full control. Hit enter, and NotebookLM generates a complete, structured script. Let me read you just the opening lines to give you a taste. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. The alarm goes off, and before you've consciously made a single decision, an ancient biological sequence is already running inside you. Your heart rate is climbing, your body temperature is rising, and your stomach, that muscular, acid-filled pouch in the upper left corner of your abdomen, is already awake, active, and waiting. That's the level of quality we're working with, engaging, vivid, and backed by real data from your sources. So now we have the script. But a script alone isn't a video. We need visuals and a voiceover. Let's tackle visuals first because they're what keep the viewer's eyes glued to the screen. Open DeepSeek AI, and from that same prompt document, copy the Visual Planner prompt. Paste that into DeepSeek. Underneath the prompt, you'll see a placeholder. This is where you paste the entire script you just generated from NotebookLM. Hit generate and watch the magic unfold. DeepSeek will break your script down into 2 parts. Part 1 provides subject prompts. These are descriptive phrases that define the key visual elements for each section of your video. Part 2 is the real workhorse, a scene table. This table has 5 columns: scene number, the corresponding voiceover line, an image prompt, an animation prompt for turning that still image into motion, and a stock video keyword for finding real-world footage. Now, let me walk you through how to turn this table into actual visuals. Open Google Flow. It's a fantastic free tool for AI image and video generation. In the settings, choose your aspect ratio. I usually go with 16:9 for YouTube. Select the number of outputs you want per generation, and set the model to Nano Banana Pro for the best balance of speed and quality. Save those settings. Now copy the image prompt for Scene 1 from your DeepSeek table, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a high-quality custom image that matches your script perfectly. Drag that image into the reference box. Then copy the animation prompt for that same scene from the table, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate again. Now you have a short, moving clip, custom made for that exact moment in your video. Repeat this process for every scene. And here's a productivity hack that will save you hours. While one video is rendering, don't sit and wait. Instead, immediately copy the image prompt for the next scene, paste it into a new Flow tab, generate that image, drag it as a reference, paste its animation prompt, and start the next generation. By overlapping these tasks, you can cut your production time nearly in half. It's a small workflow tweak that makes a massive difference when you're producing content regularly. But let's be honest, AI-generated visuals are stunning, but they can sometimes feel a little too stylized or abstract. That's why the scene table also gives you stock video keywords. For each scene, you'll see a keyword like digestive system animation or glass of water morning light. Copy that keyword, open Pexels, filter from images to videos, paste it in, and download a matching clip, completely free and without any watermark. Now, here's the strategic part. Don't rely solely on either AI visuals or stock footage. Using only AI-generated clips can make your video feel synthetic over time. Using only stock footage can make it feel generic and boring. The winning formula is a balanced mix. Use AI visuals for key explanatory moments where you want to grab attention, and use stock footage for transitional or supporting shots. This hybrid approach keeps your video visually dynamic from start to finish and maintains viewer engagement throughout the entire 8-minute runtime. Once you have all your visual assets ready, it's time to handle the voiceover. Open Google AI Studio, another powerful free tool. On the right-hand panel, you'll find a selection of different voices. Listen to a few samples and pick the one that best matches the tone of your video. For an educational, slightly dramatic topic like digestive health, a warm, confident, and clear male or female voice works beautifully. Once you've made your selection, go back to your scene table. Copy the voiceover text for at least 5 scenes at a time. This saves you from generating audio clip by clip. Paste those lines into Google AI Studio, hit run, and within moments, you'll have a natural-sounding narration track. Download it, then repeat for the remaining scenes. One pro tip: make sure the pacing of the voiceover isn't too fast or too slow. You want it to feel conversational, like you're talking directly to a friend, not reading a textbook. If the AI's default speed feels off, adjust it in your editing software later. Now we've got the script, the visuals, and the voiceover. The final step is assembly. I'll open CapCut. It's free, intuitive, and powerful enough for professional-looking videos. Start by importing the voiceover file and dropping it onto the timeline. This becomes your anchor. Next, import all your visual clips, both the AI-generated animations and the stock footage, and arrange them one by one, matching each clip to its corresponding scene using the scene table as your guide. This step is crucial. If a visual doesn't match the voiceover, the viewer will feel disoriented and might click away. So take your time here. Once everything is lined up, add simple transitions between clips. You don't need flashy effects. A basic fade or dissolve works perfectly and keeps the focus on your content, not your editing. If you want to add captions, and I highly recommend you do, since many viewers watch without sound, CapCut has an auto caption feature that's fast and accurate. Choose a clean text template, apply a subtle animation like typewriter or fade in, and adjust the timing so the captions sync with the voiceover. Then play through the entire video from start to finish. Check for any mismatched visuals, awkward cuts, or pacing issues. Make minor tweaks as needed. When you're satisfied, export the video in the highest resolution your system can handle. Ideally 1080p or even 4K if your source material supports it, and that's it. Let's take a moment to appreciate the final result.
Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. An ancient biological sequence is already running inside you. Your stomach is awake, active, and waiting. Most of us default to a routine that feels natural. We pour a hot, dark, acidic cup of coffee straight into an empty stomach. But this morning habit is akin to cold starting a high-performance engine and pushing it to maximum load before the oil has circulated. There is a better, more elegant way to awaken your system, beginning with the physics of a single glass of warm water. In the first 30 to 45 minutes, your cortisol levels spike by an extraordinary 38 to 75%.
This sharp shift wakes up your digestive organs, stimulating acid secretion and signaling your enteric nervous system to increase activity. But there is a major catch. Elevated cortisol temporarily suppresses the protective mucus layer that lines your stomach wall. Your stomach produces hydrochloric acid with a pH between 1.5 and 3.5, an acidity level between lemon juice and battery acid. This acid kills pathogens and activates enzymes. The only thing protecting your stomach is a delicate mucus barrier. The cells lining your stomach have an incredibly short lifespan, replacing themselves every 3 to 5 days.
You've taken a blank page, fed it into a smart AI pipeline, and produced a fully fledged, high-quality, 8-minute-plus video without spending a dime on expensive software or hiring a production team. The process is repeatable, scalable, and adaptable to any niche you can think of. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your channel or a seasoned creator trying to scale up your output, this workflow removes the barriers of perfectionism and creative block. It gives you a reliable system that turns ideas into finished content efficiently. So, guys, this is exactly how you can generate unlimited, engaging content for your YouTube channel using free AI tools. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Drop a comment below, letting me know which topic you'd like me to cover next, whether it's tech, travel, fitness, or even storytelling. And yeah, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is right there in the description. I share exclusive prompts, templates, and early access to new tools there. Also, if you want to see me apply the same method to another viral niche from scratch, click the video on your screen right now. I'll walk you through the entire process again, step by step, with a completely different topic. I'll see you there.